Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Curt, Michigan on this RCI-2970N4. Curt, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Let's get right to it. The voltage regulator was bad. We replaced and upgraded that. Went through the tuning alignment on it, got it set up. I'll show you what we got. Now, Curt, you're only running a 50 amp power supply. So what I done, I put on my bench a 70, where I normally would test these on a 100. But I want to show you that it's at 14.32 volts. And I'll show you when I modulate how kind of voltage drop we have on a 70. Low, low. So you can imagine what it is on your 50, okay? Let's turn the RF power all the way down. We're going to put a 100 watt slug in. Now we set this up turned all the way down for you, Curt. Right around 8 or 9 watts. That way if you decide to run an amplifier one day to use this as a driver with, then you can have full adjustability. We're going to roll it all the way up. Look around 80, 85 watts, somewhere in there. Roll it all the way back down. I'm going to show you average power swing. A little over 200 bird. Before it had no bird swing whatsoever. It would just basically sit still. Peak power. Low. Roll it down. Let's say about 20 watts. Low. Still 500 watts. Now, Curt, I recommend running this thing about a 70 or 80 watts carrier, and that's going to make it look really nice on the O-scope for you. Now let me just show you real quick. Right there, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Hello. So you're getting about 125% right there. Let's go to sideband. 100 watt slug. Low. About 480 on sideband. Now, Curt, as you increase your power supply size, you're going to see these kind of numbers, maybe even a little better, because like I said, over here, low. I guess it'll help if I put it on sideband instead of CW. Low. It's pegging the 70 amp scale out, so it is way overworking this 70 amp power supply. So, Curt, like I said, get with me. We'll get you a Dave-made 100 amp continuous, and I think you'll really enjoy this radio to its fullest. Hope you enjoyed this video, Curt. Check us out at www.truckcbsales.com, or you can email me at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.